Welcome to the channel, travel lovers. If you're someone who dreams of experiencing the opulence of luxury hotels without breaking the bank, you've clicked on the right video. Today, we're diving deep into the ultimate guide to finding and booking affordable luxury hotels. Because yes, you can enjoy world-class amenities and 5-star service without emptying your wallet. So grab a coffee, sit back, and let's explore how to make your next vacation both lavish and affordable. Before we get started, make sure to hit that like button if you love travel tips and subscribe to the channel so you never miss out on our exciting travel hacks. 1. What defines a luxury hotel? Before we jump into how to find them, let's first define what luxury means in the hotel world. Luxury hotels are more than just plush bedding and stunning views. These are establishments that go the extra mile to offer impeccable service, exclusive experiences, state-of-the-art amenities, and an overall indulgent atmosphere. Personalized service. Think concierge service, room preferences taken into account, and special touches like welcome gifts. Premium amenities, high-end toiletries, fine dining, spa treatments, and often infinity pools or rooftop bars with spectacular views. Exclusive locations. These hotels are often located in prime, scenic destinations, whether it's a beachfront resort, a mountain hideaway, or a chic city center. But the most important factor is, of course, the price. The key to a truly affordable luxury experience is finding ways to enjoy these high-end services without paying the premium price, too. Tips for finding affordable luxury hotels. Be flexible with dates. The price of luxury hotels can vary dramatically depending on when you book. Here's how flexibility can save you big bucks. Off-peak travel. Traveling during the shoulder season, just before or after peak season, means you'll find lower rates without sacrificing the beauty or experience of the destination. Midweek stays. Weekends are prime time for luxury hotels, so try booking a stay from Tuesday to Thursday for better deals. Last-minute deals. Many luxury hotels offer last-minute rates at discounted prices to fill rooms, so keep an eye out for sudden price drops. Websites like Hotel Tonight or Lastminute.com specialize in these deals. Use price comparison websites and apps. The internet has made finding great deals easier than ever. Here are some tools to help you score affordable luxury stays. Google Hotel Search. You can search by your destination and see a wide variety of hotels with prices displayed up front. Plus, it allows you to filter by star rating, amenities, and guest reviews. Skyscanner. Kayak. These are well known for flight searches, but they also offer hotel booking tools. They can help you find discount codes, bundled offers, and exclusive prices. Trivago. This platform compares hundreds of booking websites, so you can be sure you're getting the best deal. Be sure to check multiple websites to ensure you're seeing the full spectrum of pricing options. Sometimes the hotel's direct site will offer a better rate, so don't forget to check there too. 3. Book through membership programs. Many luxury hotel chains offer membership programs that provide members with exclusive discounts, perks, and free upgrades. Marriott Bonvoy, Hilton Honors, World of Hyatt. These programs offer loyalty points, early bird discounts, and access to limited-time offers. Virtuoso leading hotels of the world. These are luxury travel agencies and consortia that partner with 5-star hotels and offer special benefits, including complimentary breakfast, upgrades, and early check-ins. While some Virtuoso benefits can only be accessed through a travel agent, many are free to sign up for. Even if you don't stay at a chain regularly, signing up for these programs may help you access exclusive rates and promotions. Consider alternative luxury stays. If you're after a lavish experience but not necessarily a traditional hotel room, consider alternative luxury accommodations. Luxury villas and private homes. Sites like Airbnb Luxe and Vrbo now offer high-end private residences that come with all the amenities of a luxury hotel, plus extra space and privacy. You can often find an affordable price per person if you're traveling with a group. Boutique hotels and bed breakfasts. Smaller, independently owned hotels may not always have the same brand recognition as the big luxury chains, but they often deliver intimate, high-end experiences at a fraction of the price. Resort packages. Some resorts offer all-inclusive packages that bundle your stay, meals, and activities at a discount, which can save you money on dining out and tours. Part 3. Booking strategies for big savings. Use booking sites that offer refundable rates. Sometimes it's tempting to book the cheapest, non-refundable option, but this can be risky if your plans change. Instead, look for booking sites that offer a mix of refundable and non-refundable rates, or use platforms that offer flexible booking policies. This way, you have the option to cancel or change your stay if better deals arise, or your plans evolve booking. Calm and Expedia often have refundable options at competitive prices. Priceline's Express deals can also provide discounted luxury stays with flexible cancellation policies. Set price alerts for your dream hotels. Do you have a specific luxury hotel in mind? Set up price alerts. Websites like Trivago, Kayak, and Google Hotels will notify you when prices drop, allowing you to book at the lowest possible rate. If you're flexible on dates, the price drop could be even bigger. 3. Look for flash sales and private deals. Luxury hotels often have special flash sales, exclusive discounts, or promotions on specific platforms. For example, Gilt. Calm and Jetsetter run regular sales on luxury hotel stays. Signing up for hotel email lists can give you early access to flash sales. Or members-only pricing. Another clever tip: keep an eye on the hotel's social media accounts. Many hotels announce flash sales and discounts to their followers first. 4. How to book the best rooms at the best prices. 1. Book directly, when in doubt. While third-party booking sites are great, some luxury hotels offer better rates or exclusive perks when you book directly through their website. These perks can include complimentary breakfast room upgrades, subject to availability, resort credits or discounts on spa treatments. Before you hit book on a third-party site, check the hotel's own website to see if you'll get a better deal too. Call the hotel directly. Yes, it's old school, but calling the hotel directly can sometimes result in better rates or perks. Hotel staff may offer an unpublished discount or a room upgrade if you ask politely. It never hurts to ask for the best available rate. Extra tips for making your stay more affordable. Consider non-peak locations. While Paris and New York are classic luxury destinations, they come with high price tags. Consider exploring hidden gems like Lisbon, Marrakesh, or Bali, which offer luxury at a fraction of the cost. Use cashback and reward programs. Leverage credit card points, cashback deals, or travel reward programs to offset your hotel costs. Book longer stays. Many luxury hotels offer discounts for extended stays. If you're planning on a longer trip, inquire about weekly or monthly rates. Conclusion. So there you have it, your ultimate guide to booking affordable luxury hotels. Whether you're using membership programs, being strategic with your dates, or hunting for flash sales, there are plenty of ways to enjoy a lavish getaway on a budget. Remember, with a little planning and the right tools, you can enjoy all the luxuries you've dreamed of without compromising your bank account. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and make sure you subscribe to the channel for more travel hacks, tips, and guides that will take your next vacation to the next level. Happy travels, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned for more tips on how to travel smart and live luxuriously on a budget. And remember, the world is waiting for you.